Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about figuring out a niche for your blog. In other words, what is your blog going to be about? Now, a lot of people start blogs with the intention of writing about anything and everything. And that's fine, you just need to be aware that it may be difficult to grow a blog on that basis. Why? Well, let's say I click on a blog post about cats. I love cats. I will always read a blog post about cats. So I read the blog post, I love it, I think to myself, I definitely want to follow this blog. But the next time I visit the blog, the post is about trout fishing. The time after that, it is about golfing. Eventually, I'm going to stop following the blog and find one that is about cats, which is why I clicked on the blog to begin with. There are many benefits to having a niche. It's easier to target your blog promotion efforts. It's easier to become known for a niche. Your competition is limited to everyone in that niche instead of everyone in the blogging world, and you get better at optimizing blog posts that are focused on a particular topic. Now, a lot of people think they have to select a niche that's never been done before, but that is not reasonable and it is not necessary. If you want to blog about cats because that's your passion, you should blog about cats. Plenty of people build successful blogs just by writing about something they love, or something they're experts in, or something they're good at communicating about. Some things to consider when you're deciding on a niche. Is it something you are knowledgeable about? Can you write with authority on the subject? If your niche is controversial, can you handle the negative comments you will get from the opposing camp? Blog comment sections can be nasty, and you need to be prepared. Is the niche sustainable, or will you run out of things to write about? Or is the topic at risk of becoming obsolete? And does the niche lend itself to possible monetization? Once you have selected a niche, you can think about your blog title. We will talk about that next week. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.